Your first speaker, Regina Imburgia.
Good morning, Mayor. I'm Regina Imburgia from the 14th District, and the council knows very well that I come here to talk about fluoride and how they need to stop putting it in the water. My one-page handout that I handed out had 50 reasons to oppose fluoridation. And then in the email handout that you all got, there is a link that you can go to that expands on each one of those 50 reasons to oppose fluoridation. And the thing of it is that I say, out of 50, sure seems you could come up with at least 10% of them that you would think are valid, because the concern about ingesting fluoride is many. For one thing, the fact that the HFS that's put in our water, it comes contaminated with lead and arsenic and many other contaminants. Now, this is in the handout that I sent to you, and we're going to talk about just lead and arsenic right now, because those are the two that are actually put on the delivery paper that when the HFS is delivered. And I also sent an attachment that shows that one of those deliveries, where the specification was 100 or less parts per million of arsenic, it was at 99.84. And that was accepted, and it was put in the water. Now, lead, there is no acceptable lead level that we should be ingesting. They know that it causes harm at even small amounts. But it comes in with the HFS, which raises the fluoride level. And then fluoride itself has problems with ingesting it and causing health problems. And that's what the NTP report, which was just released, and an article was written with the Dallas Express, and it's a bombshell. Just look up Dallas Express, put in the search fluoride, and the article comes up. 205 comments on there. Okay? Look at the comments. Now, real important, I got to get this in there. Denton County is having a big deal about fraud in real estate. And while looking at that, it's kind of interesting. Since you're a lawyer, Mayor, or Ms. Palomino, look up 37.11 law, because this talks about a servant that's taken an oath. They're supposed to do their job, and if they're not doing their job, it's a felony, actually. So this is something that they're using with the fraud that's in the real estate going on in Denton. But I think health is even more important. And what it has to do with, you have responsibilities to represent your constituents, and you know of harm, but you're not stopping it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Joe Stokes. Joe Stokes is not present. Linda Newland.
Good day, Honorable Mayor. Linda Newland from District 7. Oh, yeah, the butterfly council person who's doing it again, talking while we speak. Oh, well, I've been doing more research and found that currently 1 in 7 adults have kidney disease. And 90% don't know it. So, who up there has kidney disease and don't know it? There's a lot of chairs up there, so. At the first Congressional committee back in 1952 on fluoridation, Dr. Hayworth, who was pro-fluoridation, was asked, quote, "Would you give fluoridated water to one with kidney trouble?" End quote. He responded, quote, "No, the advice would be that they drink fluoride-free spring water." It sure baffles me, while fluoridation was even started with the advice for a person with kidney disease not drink fluoridated water. It also baffles me that fluoridation wasn't stopped back in June 11, 2014, when I heard Paul Conant, PhD, right here in the council speak. Oh, does it have to do with that memo that the water department sent to council in regards to Healthy People 2013 back in, I believe it was September 2022. They sent it out after hearing two people speak on stopping fluoridation. Oh, it must be that y'all don't know how to apologize to all the citizens y'all represent. If that's the case, you need to do your own research or ask your city attorney. It's about time y'all do the right thing and stop fluoridation, which it's hydrofluorosilicic acid, y'all.
That's your time. King James Lilly.